ceramic shield, which is on the front and the back of the Pro and the Air. And so we're working together with all of our teams to produce every iPhone glass back and front.
CEO Tim Cook claims that every iPhone model from the 17 onwards is equipped with Apple's ceramic shield glass technology, hailed as a monumental leap in screen protection, promising to be 4 times stronger than regular glass. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the reality isn't nearly as rosy as the theory. And frankly, if you're considering buying the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, or even the iPhone Air, you might want to think twice. We're confident that you might end up regretting your decision, and it won't be the breakthrough you were hoping for. Among all 4 iPhone 17 models, there is almost no real breakthrough. The only highlight is the iPhone Air, said to achieve an ultra-thin design at 0.2222 in and 4 times improved durability with ceramic shield glass on both the front and back. But this move from Apple is far from fair. The iPhone Air only has a 2,800 mAh battery lasting less than 36 hours. And that's why Apple stores always recommend you buy the extra $299 battery pack so you don't end up with a dead phone in the middle of your work. More importantly, Apple is said to be planning price increases across the entire lineup. The iPhone Air was first announced at $949, but is now listed at $999, and the Pro and Pro Max models are each going up by at least $53 compared to their originally announced prices. But to be fair, if what you need is a phone that takes great photos with sharp detail and close-up zoom, the iPhone lineup is not a bad choice. However, if your goal is an affordable phone that stays durable over time, the Tesla Pi phone could be a better answer. It's priced at $789, runs on a battery that lasts over 4 days, and can save you $80 to $100 a month with free lifetime internet through Starlink. Free internet forever. So, what are the 5 secrets Elon Musk revealed about the Tesla Starlink Pi phone? And when will this phone be released? When Apple proudly announced the iPhone 17 lineup, instead of excitement over design breakthroughs or bold new technology, most consumers agreed the first impression was simply this: a phone that's just a little thinner, a little faster, and most importantly, a lot more expensive. Some voices argue that maybe we shouldn't be too harsh because the iPhone Air is really just a test run for the next generation of iPhone Fold. Apple is clearly using it to gather real-world feedback before delivering a truly groundbreaking foldable iPhone in the future. But let's be honest, it feels unfair that Apple is running these experiments on the customer's wallet. While Apple keeps repeating this formula year after year, the Tesla Pi phone is planned for release in the first quarter 2026, featuring a foldable design powered by Starlink and already being called the iPhone killer. And once you understand what it delivers for just $789, you may never look at the iPhone the same way again. The iPhone 17th generation has drawn a lot of attention from the tech world. It's not a failure, but it's clear it hasn't won everyone over. As usual, a new iPhone sparks a massive wave of hype, but this time that attention comes with plenty of controversy. Loyal fans, tech experts, and even international media have shown mixed and at times even negative reactions to the iPhone 17 Air. From its shocking design and sky-high price tag to its underwhelming AI experience and an overall sense of limited innovation, the iPhone 17 is no longer receiving the near-universal praise that its predecessors once enjoyed. That's why when Elon Musk revealed that Tesla will launch the Tesla Pi phone early next year with a starting price of just $789, it sent shockwaves through Apple and even more so among Tesla fans, since no one expected an electric car maker to jump into the smartphone game. According to the latest information, Tesla has built an extremely advanced phone production line in Fremont, capable of manufacturing devices at a pace Apple will find hard to match. Keep in mind, this is the same company that figured out how to produce a car in just over half a minute. Recently, Elon Musk revealed more details about the Tesla Pi phone, insisting that Apple should be worried now that 789 Pi phones are already lined up on the production line. In Tesla's most recent meetings, Musk emphasized that the Pi phone will be the world's first smartphone to give users internet speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, along with the most advanced foldable design in today's smartphone market. In fact, foldable phones have been around for years, but none have truly delivered a breakthrough. Samsung's Galaxy's Fold ends up wrinkled like a sheet of paper after months of use. Huawei's Mate X promised the future, but failed durability tests. Every attempt so far seems to say the same thing. Foldable phones are exciting, but they're not ready yet. Elon Musk disagrees. Therefore, the Pi phone introduces Flex Hinge, a multi-rail hinge system designed to eliminate the biggest weakness of foldable phones, the crease. Instead of folding like a fragile book, the Pi phone opens seamlessly into an 8.0 inches 0 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X display that stretches edge to edge without leaving any fold lines. Folded, the device is just 0.31 in thick, slim enough to slip into your pocket without the bulk of Samsung or Huawei devices. Unfolded, it transforms into a mini tablet, perfect for multitasking, editing documents, gaming, or streaming. Imagine boarding a plane with spotty Wi-Fi. Passengers around you hunched over tiny screens, endlessly buffering videos. You unfold the Pi phone into an 8 inches display and stream 4K movies directly from Starlink satellites orbiting the Earth, while Apple sells thinness at the cost of battery life, durability, and cooling. Tesla sells flexibility without compromise. Flex Hinge is rated to withstand 300,000 folds, meaning you could open and close it 80 times a day for 10 years without a problem. For the first time, a foldable phone feels like a finished revolution, not just a prototype. Every Tesla Pi phone comes with a built-in antenna that connects directly to Starlink satellites. No cell towers, no carriers, no roaming fees. Whether you're in Manhattan climbing the Rockies or standing on the edge of the Sahara Desert, you're always online. Latency runs between 20 to 30 milliseconds. Speeds exceed 300 megabits per second, and coverage is truly global. As long as you can see the sky, you're connected. Musk explained it simply. Instead of relying on 4G or 5G cell towers on the ground, the Pi phone connects directly to thousands of Starlink satellites orbiting about 342 miles above Earth. Put simply, if you can see the sky,